Hi guys, so I'm kind of anxious, nervous, all at the same time. I received an email that I am going to have, or I'm going to take my qualifying exam at Hello Wage tomorrow, Monday. So I just have 2 days to review or study some of the things or possible things that may come out during the qualifying exam, but I'm not sure I'm ready. But I'm gonna do my best. So yeah, currently reviewing, watching videos that can help me somehow. So yeah, wish me luck. This is it, guys. I'm just waiting for the exam to start. I'm waiting at the meeting room. Hopefully, I will make it through that I will be able to answer. Sanang kayanan ko. Wish me luck. Guys, I'm done with my qualifying exam. Lakas maka-board exam questions, guys. Oh my God. Yung confident ko lang na na-answer namin somehow part of the experience ko, medical surgical ward, but the rest, I'm not sure. Hirap na. So guys, I just received an email na pumasa ako ng qualifying exam. Hindi ko in-expect. Ang hirap ng exam, pero grateful. So, thank God. And prepare naman ng tayo for the interview. Still waiting for the schedule. Hopefully next week na lang para makapag-review o makapag-practice ako ng Sabado at Linggo. Sana. Till then, bye-bye! Hi guys, pasensya na, hindi na ako nakapag-update last Saturday, May 4, at 2 to 2:30 p.m. yung naging schedule ng interview ko. So yun nga, hindi siya walk in the park. Ang hirap. First few parts, okay pa. Pero nung meron ng, typing speed, tsaka may situation at mag-call ka, yung medyo kinabahan na ako. Although meron akong experience na sa previous work ko na mag-calls, ganyan, pero iba pa rin kasi situation, kung mga bibigyan ka na situation. So yeah, kinabahan ako, pero thank God, at kanina around 4 a.m. I received ko yung email na I did not so much 101. Yay! Lahat ng kaba at yung feeling mo hindi ka makakapasok ano mo yun, worth it naman lahat ng hirap kasi yun, pasok na tayo sa 101 pero hindi pa tapos yung challenges for sure kasi kailangan mo maipas yung 2 certification. Hoping lang na makayanan ko na maipasok ko. So yeah, tapos kanina naman na-receive ko yung email na wait up until on Friday, May 10 sa schedule ng audit. So yeah, waiting din ulit.